login and login synchronous line VTY04 pass Cisco login, should be login like that, and login sync. INTFS00 IP address is 3, so 10.0.3.1 255 yep, /24, which is the easiest one, isn't it? Yeah, that's the easiest one. So we configure that, and all I need to configure is this one in here. So I have configured second IP address in R5. So I'm gonna say INTS001 IP address should be 13 172.27.11.13 and no shutdown. See, I don't get any overlapping because I'm keep tracking my IP address with my plan. If you get overlapping, which means your configuration, you either configure that IP address already with the router, or you're using a wrong subnet mask. So the planning is very important. Okay, how did that go? Okay, so I hope, yeah, so that's done. Okay, all I need is R4. So as you can see, R4, I already configure all my basic routing interface, basic routing commands. So I need INTS10, IP address is 172.27.11.17.255.255.255. Hope you understand why it's 17, because we can't use 16, it's a network IP. We can use only 17, 18, and the 19 is broadcast address, which we can't assign to any interface. So clock rate important, clock rate, yeah. So any DCE end, you need a clock rate. So okay, that's done. Okay, all I need to configure now is I configure that HQ, router HQ. So okay, HQ, yeah. So I'm gonna move this one a little bit over here so I can see, and OIP domain lookup enable pass Cisco enable secret class, yeah, and banner MOTD welcome to HQ, client console pass Cisco if you want to be network administrator or any IT support team member, I would highly recommend keyboard skill. Develop your keyboard skill. You don't need to look at the keyboard all the time, so it is very time saving. Now I'm going to do, where am I, pass, okay, pass Cisco login sync. Okay, so we done the basic command, INTS0100, IP address should be 18 172.27.11.18 255.255.255.252. That's slash notation 30. You can see my interface going up, yeah. And I'm gonna assign IP address to sorry int s0 101, IP address is 172.11.22.255.255.252 and no shutdown. So the interface gone up, and INTFS00 IP address is 202.101.33.60. I'm gonna assign 63 in here. Yeah, again slash notation 30. Hold on, this should be not 62, this should be 64. See, if you get the planning wrong, which means you are assigning IP address wrong, so it is very important to keep the planning right. Okay, then no shutdown, and I'm gonna say w, and I'm gonna assign our second IP address into the server now. So server IP address is 202.101.33.66. yeah, 255.255.252, 202.101.33.65. yeah, that's it. And if I ping that interface, I should be successful. Good. Now I'm gonna assign the IP address into router 4, so that should be 10.0.4. I'm gonna say, since this is R1, it's 40. I can use any IP address within that range. So 10.0.4.4.1. Soon as I assign that, should be able to ping my default gateway. In here I'm gonna say, let's see, I got 10.0.5.50 255.255.255.0 10.0.5.1. yeah, can I ping here to here? Yep, successful. Let's put the R1 configuration now. 10.0.1.10 255.255.255.0 10.0.1.1. yeah, I'm doing the connectivity test at the same time, so if I made any mistake, I can literally go there and quickly edit, so I don't have to come back and think about, oh, what's going on, I don't know why I can't ping my default gateway. So you just eliminate that question, right? So this one is 10.0.2.20 255.255.255.0 10.0.2.1. okay, have I assigned in here? Yep, I did assign. Okay, that's the last one then. Okay, so 10.0.3.30 255.255.255.0 10.0.3.1. Can I pay my default gateway? Yes. Okay, now theoretically, whatever the directly connected interfaces, I should ping through this ping command. Yeah, for example, if I want to ping, let's say 172.27.11.1, I should get ping reply. Okay, so as the R2, R3, R4 and R5, same as the HQ, any directly connected networks should be able to ping. Now our task is to configure static routing. So static routing is, if you plan very well, it's easy to understand. So I can clearly see my networks.